we know that Mithya, that Hingsa and Krodh married. Sah mayang bhaginantuhu lobam putra sah pangnakang niktitang janamayoso taya krodho sutoho bhavat. Sah hisayang bhaginantuhu janayah masakam kulim Vamohasta jitopantang tuila bhaktanjanam prabhum. Hingsa and Krodh married. And they born a man. They born a Kumar. That Kumar is Kali in the world. So we saw that Kali born from Krodh and Hingsa. His father's name is Krodh. Kali's father's name is Krodh and mother's name is Hingsa. And when he born, he took his left hand and he used that left hand all time in his upasana. At that time, that Kali's color was black, as onion. People take their onion on the eye. Female takes their onion on the eye. That Kali was as onion's color. That Kali's body's color was an onion color. And his body or Kali's mouth is as crow. We know about crow. The crows are wandering beside us. We see the crow and we see the crow's mouth. That Kali's mouth was as a crow mouth and his body color as a onion. And that Kali was Lolodihava and ferocious his body. Kakodoram Koralasang Lolodiyavam Bhayanakam Pudirgandam Dutamodda Sri Suvarna Kritasaram. If we follow the Kalki Purana, we understand that in Kalki Purana and author number 1, first Adhyay and slok number 16, Koralo Kakodaram Koralasang Lolo Jiyavang Bhayanakam Puttigandam Dukamadda Sri Suvarna Kritasram. That
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
That Kali's tongue was Lolo Jihva, and his shape, the Kali's shape is ferocious slave, and her, and the Kali's body is full of bad scent, and he always take wine, he always take kida, he always take dutakriya, and he always take to go to Gonika, and he always to take the place where is Sona business. This is the character of Kali. and that Kali was ferocious. Bhaninam duruktaং sa bhayam putrasya konnakam mrityung sa janayamaso tasya niroho bhavat